This is a beautiful little lady's pocket watch. Interesting dial. It says Numa, a brand I've never heard. 17 joules Incabloc. This is in a gold-filled case with a beautiful engraving. A little cottage or house of some sort, and some nice flowers, machine turn details. And then on the back it's got similar detail with the letter M engraved. And if you look at the outside of the cuvette, if I can manipulate it here with just one hand, this is in a Deuber Special gold-filled case. And this was the property of Mary Gem. Wonderful little watch, running smoothly. And I'm going to put it up for auction starting at 99 cents. Enjoy.